Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new, today we're installing this beautiful kinky curly wig. Oh my gosh, I love this wig so much, from Gorgius Wigs. They were kind enough to send this over for me to try for y'all today, and it's an easy slay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. So that's what the wig looks like on the inside. They have an elastic band attached, which makes the wig stay in place. Like legit, the wig is not gonna move. Okay, y'all. And it has two nice wide combs in the front that are gonna be like right above your ear. Yeah, when you put it on at first, it is gonna look a little bit questionable, but I had faith. Once I saw the curls when I took it out of the packaging, I just knew already that the unit was gonna be cute. I knew it was gonna be cute. So the first thing that I did was just kind of pull those twists apart. I wanted to make sure that the curls were not as tight so we can get a nice fluffy natural look. I was just playing with it. The hair was so soft, y'all. Like, I'm not even joking. Super soft hair. I am going to end up adding just a couple of products in it towards the end of the video, but for now we're just getting into the pulling of the curls, making sure everything looks separate and not super tight. So I was kind of over pulling it with my hands. I was like, I want it to look a little bit more like voluminous, just have a little bit more height, and also just get rid of the tight curls. So I went in with my wide tooth comb. I was looking for my pick, but y'all, I couldn't find it. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you will know that my life is a little bit chaotic when it comes to keeping stuff organized. I definitely need to work on that, but that's besides the point. Let's get back into the wig. So I'm pulling the hair apart with a comb and with my hands, just going in any area where I feel like the curls are just still remaining to be a little bit tight. Now we're getting into the product. I'm going to add some mousse, and yes, I spilled that everywhere. I don't know why it came out like that, but I'm adding some mousse to the top, especially where I have combed it out and it's looking a little bit shaggy. We want it to just look nourished, you know, so I'm just going to keep adding some of that mousse in there into any area that just looks like it needs a little bit of attention. And I'm also just going to comb back over that, you know, just going back and forth with those two techniques there, using some mousse and using my comb. And then eventually the bangs, they did start to challenge me a little bit. So I think you guys want to be really careful with the bangs if you do get this wig. Just make sure you're very careful when pulling out the curls in the bang, because that I had to kind of go off camera and get in like right in front of my mirror in my bathroom to really see the curls, because they started to kind of stick out away from my forehead. But just adding a little bit of product and combing it out again got me back looking right. And I also went in and added a little bit of water too, just because, you know, the water really brings those curls back and it just makes it look nice and shiny, you know, just get you some real juicy curls. So I was going for more of like a straight kind of boxy curled look. I didn't want it to look super curved, or if you know what I mean. So that's why I'm kind of pulling it out at the roots a little bit more on the sides of my head. And that, you guys, is literally the end of installing this wig. Like, when I say beginner friendly, I legit mean beginner friendly. This is the most beginner friendly wig I've ever put on before. So these curls are juicy, they are moving, they have body, they look good. The whole entire wig looks good. It fits the head super well, very much so spacious, but you can also do those adjustable straps to make it tighter. I mean, dress it up, dress it down, however you want to style this wig on. I mean, it is 100% fire, and you need to try it. So definitely check out the link below in my description bar if you're interested, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.